सहकार मंत्री मोगोचे दीपक धुळेकारान मोदीच्या नावान विधानसभेन हिंदू राष्ट्राचे विधान केल्ल्यान जाल्ले वादा उपरांत शुक्रारा काँग्रेसीन सरकाराकडच्यान स्पष्टीकरण मागले। प्रश्नकाळाक आयिल्लो विशय सभापतीन मागीर पळोवया म्हूण सांगिल्ल्यान तिडकल्ले विरोधकांनी कामकाजाचेर बहिष्कार घालो। प्रतापसिंह राणेन विशय काडिल्लो। विजय सरदेसाय आलेक्स धरून बाकीचे काँग्रेस आमदारांनी सरकारान जाप दिवची म्हूण नेट धरलो, मात सरकार तयार जालो ना। उपमुख्यमंत्री फ्रांसिसान दीपकाक तेंको दिलो। तो म्हणटा हिंदुस्तान हिंदू राष्ट्रूच, ते करपाचो प्रस्नूच येना। आपुणूय ख्रिश्चन हिंदू।
सौती मातशें काल राती हांवें पळयलें ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरांनी ओथ घेतलेलो आसता की संविधानाचें आपूण संरक्षण करता, तेच्या वाटेन वयता। आमचें preamble to the constitution सांगता this is a secular democratic republic, socialistic democratic republic. तेजें क्लॅरिफाय करचें हांगा कितें जालें तें।
क्वेश्चन आवर सोंपतकच प्रश्नकाल सोंपतकच हांव ताजेर कितें सांगपाचें तें सांगता। Alex Reginald, behave yourself. When you are in house, behave yourself.
Because
you can go out. You will go out.
Because people have thrown them out. What more they have to be thrown out for? Speaker sir.
They are going out. Let them go.
Speaker sir.
Every minister takes the oath that he will abide by the constitution, protect the constitution of India. He had to clarify. He should have clarified in the house, for which we protest. He has to take back those words. This is most unconstitutional, and I think he may even have to resign his post.
As an MLA, he took an oath that he will swear by the Constitution, show allegiance to the Constitution of India. He's forgotten all that because he has become a drill boy of the Chief Minister, who is the drill headman. So this type of attitude we are not going to tolerate. Goans are not going to tolerate it, and we are going to fight it tooth and nail.
People of Goa and the people of India are well aware that Achhe Din have not come, that it is Bure Din now. So to divert the attention of the people from Goa as well as from India, the BJP and its allies are following a method behind the madness. There is madness happening in Goa. Every now and then a minister is making irresponsible comments. We demand resignation not only of the minister, also of the chief minister for allowing all this, for maligning the state of Goa.
In fact, CM should have clarified his stand on this. And still there is now time for CM to clarify his stand, whether he agrees to the comments made by the minister on the floor of the same MGB party wanted to merge Goa into Maharashtra. With the brute majority what the BJP has got at the center, they are trying to take advantage of their plan, which they had planned earlier, that because that plan in 1961 could not be successful. So now, looking at the brute majority, they are trying to superimpose their ideology on all the Goans, in fact.
It's always a Hindu nation and it will always stay a Hindu nation. You don't have to create a Hindu nation. India is a Hindu country. It is Hindustan. All Indians in Hindustan are Hindus, including I'm a Christian Hindu. I'm a Hindustani. So you don't have to make it a Hindu nation. It is a Hindu nation. So there's no question of making it a Hindu nation.
तो हिंदुस्तान कहने का उनका मतलब नॉमेनक्लेचर, वो हिंदू कम्युनिटी हिंदू ऐसा नहीं था उनका इंटेंशन। नहीं, हिंदू राष्ट्र बोला तो रॉन्ग ही रहेगा, क्योंकि हमारा तो कंट्री सेक्युलर है, सब तरह के लोग इधर भारत में रहते हैं। तो इनफैक्ट दैट स्टेटमेंट शुड नॉट कम।
ऑगस्टाचे पयले सप्तकांत सरकार मायनिंग धोरण हाडटलो। मायनिंग कामगार, ट्रकवाले, मशीनवाल्यांक जॉब सेक्युरिटीचो धोरणान विचार जातलो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान उतर दिला। निलेश काब्रालान काडिल्ल्या प्रस्नाचेर मुख्यमंत्री उलयलो। 1,500 लोकांक मायनिंग पॅकेज मेळटा, उरिल्ल्या हजारांनी लोकांचो रिकॉर्डूच ना। पॅकेज न्हयकारिल्ले असले 1,500 केशींचो फेरनियाळ घेतले। नोव्हेंबर म्हणल्यार मायनिंगांतले असल्या सगळ्या मेरेन ई ऑक्शनांतले येणावळींतल्यान अर्थीक आदार पावतलो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री उलयला।
that only 1,000 people have been availing this package. Whether 55 million tons which was being exported, only 1,000 people could do this work.
1,436 इतल्या लोकांक मेळटा. ताजें कारण तो त्या कामार आशिल्लो हाजे कितें तरी पुरावो दिवचो पडटा. केस इन ट्रायबल बेल्ट्स, if tribal people are involved, I am ready to reduce that 3 years period even to 1 year period. Because around 4,000-5,000 application came, 3,000 have been rejected.
जे कॉम्पेन्सेशन आता रिलीफ पॅकेज आसा, आता मायन्स लिजीस आमी परत करतले आनी हे जे लॉस्ट जॉब एम्प्लॉईज आसा न्ही तांकां कशें एकोमोडेट करतले. लिजीस मे गो टू सम अदर पार्टी. हाउ विल वी आयडेंटिफाय देम एंड पुट ऑन जॉब?
I don't know whether leases will go to the same person, to someone else. Because ज्या वेळार आमी पॉलिसी मॅटर घेवन ऑगस्टान केन्ना तरी हांव हावजा फुडें येतलो फर्स्ट विकान, कारण पयले दीस हातूनच डिस्कशनानूच गेला. त्या वेळार आमी डिस्कशन करुया. त्या वेळार लीज दिवपाचे काही आयडियाज तुमकां दिसता जाल्यार तुमी सांगात, सगळे जाण सांगात. पण एक गजाल लक्षांत दर, जाका कोणाक लीज मेळटली ती म्हणूनच हांव सांगता की ऑक्शनान लीज केली जाल्यार आय कॅनॉट पूट दॅट एज अ कंडिशन. So I will have to devise a mechanism by which the protection to the employed and the truck owners, machinery owners is also ensured in the whatever proposal we come with. So अनेक आठवडाभर कळ काड. साधारण म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 30 किंवा 31 तारखेपर्यंत आमी रेडी करता काही की हांव जनतेचो पयसो येना, ई ऑक्शनांचे जे पयशे येतले पळय तेच दितलो. वयल्यान पयशे उरतले.
घेऊ एक विराम.